working with electronics and soldering a lot and stuff, you're going to notice that your soldering iron will smoke. And that smoke is actually very toxic because that's coming from the flux and the lead in your solder. And so you really need to get it away from you. And a lot of people just use a little PC fan or something, you know, just a small PC fan. And that works well, actually, it works very well, especially if you made a nice stand for it out of cardboard or wood or metal. This one works even better. This is out of an old oven. It's an electric motor like you might find in a fan or something. And it actually already came with this little plastic fan here. And if I pop the grill off, if you take the grill off, you can see it's just a little plastic fan that was on the front of it. But it actually moves quite a bit of air because it's meant to keep this engine cool. And so, around back, I've taken a couple just short metal pipes, actually off of a bed frame, and I've sanded all the paint off of them, just to make it look nicer. And I've run my power cord up through it. Obviously it's an American plug. And then I just ran it up through these pipes and holes here, and up through to the motor wires, and then I soldered it and stuffed them down in there. So it looks nice and neat. And it has the output shaft out the back as well, so you can power something like a water pump. I'm not sure, but I don't need that. I'm just using this cooling fan on the front of it to suck the smoke from the solder away from me. So I've got the grill put back on the front of it just to keep my fingers out of it so I don't hurt myself. And when I plug it in, it's fairly quiet. It's a big motor and it's not a super aerodynamic fan, not like a PC fan. And it does a good job at pulling the smoke away, and I'll show you some clips of that here in a minute. But yeah, it's just a really nice, it's got a heavy base on it, so you're not going to bump it or move it around. Fairly safe, and it moves a lot more air than you would think it would. Although it is completely overkill, and it's going to use a lot more electricity than is necessary. So, don't really recommend using one of these for your soldering fan. But I really like it because it looks nice. This is my video on my soldering fan. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and maybe I'll do a tutorial on this if you guys really like it a lot. It's real simple, just a block of wood with some metal pipes, and then you just have to have the parts for it. I might do it with a smaller DC motor or something because I have a few extra parts and transformers. So anyways, thanks for watching.